Hi everyone, this is Juna and welcome to my vlog. And today we'll be unboxing another keyboard which personally I'll be using. So I'm excited. I'm gonna open it now while I'm doing this vlog. So if you're excited, I'm even more excited, I think. I just want to talk about how I purchased the item. So as you can see, that's the item behind me. So it's really exciting because I didn't know about this, so Dexter informed me that I could actually go to game1.ph and chat with their customer service and just inquire about the mouse and the keyboard that I'm looking for. And I did. And then after that, I can just pay online. After paying online, they can have it shipped to me, whichever store is near me. I use Grab Express to have it delivered to me. So that's very quick. Like in 15-20 minutes, it's in my house. So it's really great. So if you happen to can't go out just like me, you can go ahead and do that and you're good to go. So yeah, so enough of how I purchased it. If you want to know more about that, I will also put it in the details. Okay, so to give you a little background about this, so I was looking for a keyboard that I can use, something small. It started with a keyboard, honestly, and then of course when you're looking for a keyboard, you wanted to have it paired with a really nice mouse as well, as much as possible, right? So that's what happened to me. I came across this Logitech K380 multi-device Bluetooth keyboard. The first thing I noticed, of course, is the color. So it has the rose color, which is pink, and I thought, it would be really nice if it has a mouse. So I did search, and there is. So alright guys, let's talk about the box. So the box itself looks really nice. There's like a cherry blossom design in this, very girly. So if you're planning to give this as a gift to your girlfriend, I'd say you do. I'm pretty sure they'll appreciate it if they like pink. And of course, the first you can see in the box would be the keyboard, the mouse, and the bag. When you open the box, the very first thing you'll see is the bag, the gray bag, the furry, woolly kind of texture bag, and it's really stylish, by the way. I like the logo. I like the garter design and font, which you just need to pull down so you can open the bag. The mouse is actually inside the bag and not inside the keyboard box, which I thought they're together. Going back again to the box, what's left in there is the keyboard box. So it's just the keyboard itself. Let's first focus on the Pebble M350 wireless mouse. It has two types of connections. You can connect via Bluetooth or wireless USB receiver. It's a silent mouse, silent when you click, silent when you scroll. And it's definitely compatible for Windows or Mac, and has 3 customizable buttons. It's smooth and the shape is easy to carry around. Although I think it's worth mentioning that this fits small hands, not sure for people with bigger hands. As for battery life, it lasts for 18 months and it uses one AA battery. It's unfortunate that you can't use this mouse in multiple devices. Unlike the ultra thin Logitech that I was using, I can use it up to at least 2 computers. One of the uncommon but great feature of this mouse is the compartment on top, where you can find the battery and the USB receiver. It's also great how it uses a magnet to open and close this compartment, and really smart. It's very sleek, very convenient, and just smooth. So now, let's talk about the multi-device K380 keyboard. And physically, oh my god, when I opened the box, it's amazing. It's just perfect. It's the perfect size for me. It's a minimalist design, kind of pink that it is. It's just the perfect pink, the lady kind of pink. As for its features, it can connect up to 3 devices. So let's say you're connected to your computer, you can also connect to your phone and then tablet. Now you can switch typing between them by just touching buttons. And you have to remember that the device you're connecting to should be Bluetooth enabled for it to be possible. This keyboard can also connect to any Apple device, Android, Windows, and even Chrome. And in case you're wondering how it feels like typing here, well, it's ultra quiet, low profile keys, so it's a laptop-like typing. As for its battery, it has a 24-month battery life. It uses two AA batteries. For this keyboard, you don't really need to download any software. You just need to hold pressing F1 button until it gets detected by your computer and you're good to go. So that's the end of our unboxing video. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to comment if you have purchased the product. Let me know your experience.